What's up YouTube, Jeff back again from DopeTechDaily.com, and today I finally got all of my Galaxy S9, S9 Plus pre-orders in the house from T-Mobile. You guys know I've already been covering the Galaxy S9. Verizon was nice enough to send me out a unit, so I've actually had this lilac purple Galaxy S9 for a while. But now that I've got all my phones in the house, I want to go ahead and do an unboxing of all the colors. So this is going to be showing off the available colors. This is only for the US. We don't have the gray color. I actually ordered the gray color from overseas, and I'll have the Exynos gray color very soon, but this is an unboxing of all the US colors. So I'm not actually going to go through any features or anything. If you want to check out all of my coverage that I've already done with this phone, I'll drop the links below. I've done a whole bunch of stuff. This is just going to show off the available options. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm just going to unbox one of these at a time. I'll show you guys what comes in the T-Mobile retail packaging, and then we'll also then just take a look and fast forward through, get the other colors, and we'll move on. So the first one here that I'm going to do, let's see what color this is. You open up the box, you've got Galaxy S9 Plus right there. Let's take off the plastic there, dig right into the phone. They've got a nice little tab for you. This is the black color here, so we'll put that to the side and then really quickly take a look at what's in the rest of the packaging. So if you take this piece off, obviously they've got my SIM card there for me, which is nice. You've got your USB connector here. This is nice, your little transfer tool, which Samsung's been giving us for a while now. You've got your power brick, which is pretty standard for any Samsung phone. In the back, you've got nicely organized here your USB Type-C cable, your AKG tuned headphones right here. Pretty standard. That's been coming in the packaging for a while now. And you've also got in the back your replacement ear tips. So, you know, whatever your size ears are, you can go ahead and grab the replacement ear tips there. Underneath here in the packaging, doesn't look like there's anything else really in there. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the box itself. So obviously that's going to be the same among all of those. So let me just go ahead and throw everything back in there. So the first color here is the black. When you take the plastic off, make sure you note that there's also plastic all around the sides of the phone, if you guys can see that right there. So you'll want to just peel that off along the sides just to keep the video a little bit shorter. I'm not going to worry about peeling that part off. Galaxy S9 Plus in black. As you guys can see, the sides of the black version are now a matte black, which is a lot different than last year where you had a shiny black along the sides. So that's a little bit different with the black color variant. That's definitely something to note. The next one that I have here should be the lilac purple color of the Galaxy S9 Plus. So again, plastic here on the back, plastic right here on the front, and then once again you do have that plastic all along the sides there. Little piece here on the back from T-Mobile as well. And then you can see the lilac purple, very nice, very reflective. Definitely going to get fingerprints, a little bit worse than the black Galaxy S9 Plus. You can also see that the sides are matte on this as well. Again, you do have a little bit of plastic protection on some of these. Actually, it's kind of weird. It looks like there's no plastic on the lilac one, but there's plastic on the black one. So that's a little strange. I guess we'll have to see with the coral blue. But these are the two different colors of the Galaxy S9 Plus that I ordered. And then lastly here, we're going to have the coral blue. I actually ordered the coral blue in the smaller, regular size Galaxy S9. And so you can see here the coral blue. It's definitely not the same coral blue that we saw last year. It's similar, and it's also not the same coral blue that we saw in the Galaxy Note 7. You don't have that rose gold around the sides. I actually think the blue this year looks better. It's definitely not the same, shade as it was in the Note 7. It's also not the same shade that we saw in the Note 8, which is a much deeper blue. This one also has on the sides matte color, so you can see that once again we do have some plastic along the sides. It's a little strange that I don't have any plastic. I wonder if someone unboxed my phone already. I hope not. But anyway, here are the three different phones all side by side, so you can see the various colors. Personally, I think the lilac purple and the coral blue look really nice. Obviously black is always a classic choice, but if I was going with one, I'd probably pick the lilac or the blue. The lilac's probably going to pick up fingerprints a little worse than the blue because it's the most reflective. So if you're worried about fingerprints or something like that, you might want to go again with the black or the coral blue. So anyway, that's an overview of the three colors, just my opinion, so you guys can see them here all side by side and see what you think. If you guys have any questions, you guys can drop them in the comments below. Really appreciate you guys checking out the video. Follow all my other Galaxy S9, S9 Plus coverage below. Find me at dopetechdaily.com, Google+, Instagram, and Twitter at the links in the description. You can also find me writing at gadgethacks.com. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.